You can build unique workflows for different types of business processes in Orderry. To do so, use an initial status for work orders or leads and think through the rules of how your employees should process them further. By default, all work orders and leads are created as new, but if you have more than one work order type, you may want to handle them in different ways. Here's an example. You take your services to customers or they come to your workshop. Most certainly, you have different business logic for each of the cases. So go to Orderry and create two types of work orders, on-site and carry-in, and set different initial statuses for them. Depending on the selected order type, a new work order will be assigned an appropriate initial status and the further status sequence. For more information on setting up the status sequences and transition rules, read a guide in our knowledge base. The link is in the description. To set the initial status, navigate to the Settings Form Editor page. Let's look at work orders. First, select an order type and click Edit. Second, set a new status in the initial status field and click Save. Now, when you create a work order of this type, it will be immediately assigned the status specified in the settings. Similarly, you can configure the initial status for leads. For example, let's set up the initial status Call Back instead of just New for the lead type Missed Call. Thus, when a lead is automatically created from a missed call, it immediately has the status Callback. With initial statuses, you'll be sure that your work orders and leads will be processed according to the workflows you've built for your team. Now you know how to set up and use initial statuses for work orders and leads in Orderry. Enjoy your work and have a good day.